Hello everyone. A slightly different video today. I'm still gonna post a haul later in the week, but today I just wanted to shoot this video. I've never done this before, and I'm gonna do a workout. I saw this video, it just popped up on my feed, where this guy, well, he sort of is a fitness guru now, but he's lost a lot of weight over the years, and he did this quarantine workout. I'll post the link below if you want to see what he did, but basically he did 40, 30, 20 and 10. So he did 40 burpees, 40 air squats, 40 alternating sort of mountain climbers, and 40 lunges, and then you do 30, and then you do 20, and then you do 10. And I thought, this is the workout for me. When he did it, the sweat was running down his whole body, so I really don't know how I'm gonna do this. In the video, he also has a weight that he wears, a 20-pound weight, but I don't need it because I got these. So I'm gonna do this now. I'm gonna time myself. He did in 20 minutes, and we'll see how long it's gonna take me. So let's do this. 1. You should never do 40 of anything. Whatever it is, I'm halfway through my 40 round. Alright, now we're moving on to mountain climbers. 1, 2, I have done 1 round. 1. This was a big mistake, guys. Moving on to 20s. God save me. Oh God. This is not fun. I did it, guys. Wow, that was quite a workout. I think that was probably the most intense thing I've done in the last, since I've been in lockdown. I mean, even before the lockdown. I'm glad I did it, because now I know it's not for me. It was good to do it to test my physical ability, and compared to ObesetoBeast, I'm nowhere near that. But it was a fun thing to do, to, you know, to test it out. Thank you very much, ObesetoBeast, for giving me this idea. Hopefully somebody will either get inspired by this or get really cautious and maybe call me an ambulance, I don't know. I hope you enjoyed this video, very different one today. There's going to be a haul later on when I catch my breath and phone 111. I'm gonna sit here for a few hours and catch my breath. Let me know if you like this video, or if you didn't like this video. If you are gonna try this out, let me know if you do. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.